In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a way in which you can actually earn money using AI tool. Yeah, the idea of making money online and, not having to do the job is a great idea. And there's a lot of tools out there who are there just to help us earn some money online. One of them, it's called ChatGPT, but I can guarantee you that no one is really talking about this strategy. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually earn money using this 100% free AI tool. First of all, guys, you will need to go to chat.openai.com so you can actually have access to ChatGPT. You can also Google it. It's going to ask you to create an account. The account is 100% free. And this is an amazing tool because we can actually use this tool for almost everything. If we run out of idea about a topic, or if we want to create an ebook about a topic, which is actually what we are going to be doing, we can always use this tool. Okay, so remember, go to chat.openai.com. Now we're going to be talking, or we're going to be asking ChatGPT to create a book in a niche that have high demand. In this case, it's going to be a health niche, okay? And it's going to be with people who want to lose weight, okay? We can be more specific. We can say like, okay, I want to help women who already have kids and they have been struggling to lose weight. In my case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create an ebook. Okay, I'm going to put here, write an ebook about keto diet. Okay, so the system is going to be doing everything. It's going to be doing the introduction, it's going to be doing the chapters, and it's going to be, helping me create an ebook in record time. Okay, I don't need to do anything. You can be even more specific, like, hey, I also want to in this case, ChatGPT, to write an ebook about recipes of, with keto diet. So people can learn about keto diet, but they are also going to have the receipts, with the ingredients and all this stuff. Now we're going to have the text, but we need to have a good cover. Okay, we need to have a good cover. So for that, I'm going to be using a tool that is also 100% free, which is called Canva. You can go to canva.com, and here we do have a lot of templates. So here in the search bar, you're going to write ebook. So I'm going to be having, different ebook templates, right, that I can share off. These are 100% customized ebooks, okay? So you can actually, let's say that you like this layout, like about where to invest your money, but you don't like the image, you can replace it, okay? Or you can find, for example, this one, the introduction to keto diet, I can go with this one, okay? I can also go with this other one, which is healthy snacks. You can do it as well. If you put myself over, I can have the opportunity, to see a preview, right? So really easy, really simple. I can have this one, like the healthy breakfast. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one, with the one about the keto diet and all this stuff. I'm gonna go here to use this template. Okay, so in this case, this one is premium. I didn't check on that. Here is pro. I have 100% free account, so I can choose another one. Okay, I can choose another one. Let's say that I go with this one. Okay, remember that we can customize everything. So I'm gonna click here where it says customize this template. Cool, it's gonna be creating the project for me just to make sure that I'm gonna be having everything that I need, all the pages and all the stuff. Okay, so here, let's say that, hey, I make a mistake, I click on the wrong one. Okay, so I want to choose this one. Boom, you see how easy it is, how simple I can change it. Okay, so really nice, really simple. And let's say I'm going to keep the same, this introduction to keto diet, but in this case, I'm going to change my name. So it's going to be here, right? I can replace the image if you want. Okay, you can go here and you can put different elements. Okay, you can also have the options to, let's say that I'm going to go with healthy food. Okay, because I want to change the image. So here you have some photos, you have videos. In my case, this is going to be for me to have healthy food. So I do have here some that I can actually use if I want to use this one. Okay, so you can see it's actually really easy, really simple to customize this. Okay, you can also change the position if you want to center it, if you want to send it to the back. You see here I already sent it to the back. Maybe I want to put here, make this a little bit smaller. I want to change my name, I want to change the color and all this stuff. If you want to add some pages, you can add more pages. Really nice. Okay, so let's say that, hey, you know, I don't want to start from scratch. Okay, I don't want to start from scratch. I want to have, you know, another page with my layout and all the stuff. You can do actually the same. You can choose this, for example. Okay, so it's actually really nice, and all the things that you can actually do with canva.com. And when you're ready to share it, you're gonna click here where it says share, and you are gonna be downloading this as a PDF, not the PNG, okay, but PDF. Okay, if you want to have a higher quality, go here to PDF printing. But how you can actually make money with this? Okay, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can actually make money with this. Okay, the first one, it's going to be, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know if you have already used ChatGPT on the past, or this is going to be the very first time. There is a huge opportunity on this. And I also want to invite you to click on the very first link in the description, which is going to be my #1 recommendation to make money online. So you're going to have several options to make money. Now, let me go back to the video. So we can use a website that is called clickbank.com. Really nice thing about clickbank.com is that if we go here, in my case, to the health and fitness niche, or if I go here to the top bar and I write keto, it's going to help me, you know, it's going to give me a list. Let me share this to gravity high to low, okay, with all really popular products. Okay, for example, this one. If I decide to go ahead and promote this product, the average conversion or the average amount of money that people are earning because they're promoting this is almost $200. Really amazing. And if I decided to go ahead and promote it, the only thing that I need to do is I need to click here where it says promote, so I can have my link. So I can do all the layout and everything on Canva, and I can also add the link on canva.com. So I have the opportunity to have the ebook, okay, and also I have the opportunity, you know, to make some money because I do have the link. So where do you get, you know, people who are going to be interested on what you have to offer? Okay, I'm going to give you 2 websites. Let me show you the first one. The first one is called My Lead Gen Secret. If you are creating a book, and remember that you're not going to be really creating it, but if you are asking ChatGPT to create a book about making money online, business opportunities, and all this stuff, a great way to promote it is with My Lead Gen Secret. Literally, by investing $1 per day, you're going to have 100 leads, okay, every single day. And if you're ready to send the email, you're going to click here where it says mailing system. You're going to click here where it says select all. Okay, you can write a subject like, hey, I have really cool free ebook about cryptos, about affiliate marketing, about side hustles, you know, and you can give it for free. Okay, you can write it here. Please make sure that you have perfect timing, and you're going to click here send. Okay, this is a tool that I have been using in the past. As you can see, I already have over 32,000 leads. that I can mail every single day, literally just by investing $1. If you are interested on checking on this tool, I'm going to be leaving a link below. But if you're on another niche or you don't want to use my lead gen secret, a great way in which you can actually make money online, it's by publishing your content on Amazon. Okay, you can publish your content here on Amazon and you can sell it. Okay, you have two strategies that you can do here. Okay, the first one is that you can sell it maybe like this author. It's going to be $14, right? So you're going to be selling it for $14 and people are going to consume your content. Or you can go and sell it for $99, 99 cents, because you want a lot of people to buy it because you are sharing your affiliate link. If you want to publish your content here on Kindle with Amazon, you are going to go to ktp.amazon.com. Here is a quick explanation of how you can be a self-publisher, how you can upload the book, and in record time you're going to have a book literally on Amazon and people are going to have the opportunity to make a purchase. Okay, really, this is a really interesting way in which you can actually make money online. Remember that you can use ChatGPT to, create content in several niches. So it's not just about keto diet, it's not just about health. If you notice that there is a trend, okay, you can do it. Okay, you can literally do it. But again, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So please check the very first link in the description. This is it for this video, but I do have more videos in which I'm teaching you other ways to make money online, so keep watching them. Until next video.